In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Gmail profile picture to your device's gallery. Whether you're switching devices, sharing your favorite photo, or just want to keep a backup, saving your Gmail profile picture is a straightforward process that you'll be able to accomplish easily after watching this guide. First, let's start by opening your web browser. Any browser will work for this task, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google homepage by typing in google.com in your address bar and pressing enter. Being on the Google homepage is key because it gives you access to all things Google, including your account settings. Now that you're on the Google homepage, look for your profile picture icon. You'll usually find this at the top right corner of the page. It's typically a circular image, and if you haven't set an image, it may just show the first initial of your name. Click on this profile icon, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu contains several options, such as your account name and email address. Here, you should aim for the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. Selecting this will redirect you to your account's dashboard. With your account settings now open, locate the Personal Info tab on the left-hand side. This section contains all personal information associated with your Google account, including the profile picture, basic info, and more. Once you're in the Personal Info section, scroll down until you find the heading or the button for your profile picture. Upon clicking it, a new window or overlay will open, showing your current profile picture in detail. Here's the exciting part. Your image will be shown with several options, but what you want is to hover over the profile picture until you see the download button or icon, which typically looks like a down arrow. Click this button to initiate the download of your image directly to your device. After downloading, make sure to check your device's downloads folder. Often, profile pictures are stored in this location, but depending on your browser settings, it might save elsewhere. You'll want to ensure the image has downloaded properly. Now head over to your device's gallery and you can find the image there. It's that simple. The image can now be viewed, shared, or transferred as you desire. And that wraps up our tutorial on saving your Gmail profile picture to your gallery. I hope this guide helped make the process intuitive and simple for you. Be sure to back up your image and share it as you see fit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.